In today's video, I'm going to teach you Export Microsoft Outlook Contacts. This process is an important way to back up your address book or transfer your contacts to another device or email service. By exporting your contacts, you make sure that your important information is safely stored and can be restored or moved whenever needed. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and make sure you are on your main mailbox screen. Once the application is fully loaded, move your attention to the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This will take you into the main settings area, where account management and data options are located. From the File menu, look for the option labeled Open and Export, then select Import and Export. This will open a guided wizard that helps you manage how data is moved in and out of Outlook in a structured way. When the wizard appears on your screen, choose the option that says Export to a file, then click Next to continue. This step tells Outlook that you want to create a separate file containing your data for backup or transfer purposes. Next, you will be asked to select the file format. Choose comma-separated values, also known as a CSV file. This format is widely used and compatible with spreadsheet programs as well as many other email platforms, making it ideal for contact transfers. After selecting the file type, you will need to choose what you want to export. From the list of available folders, select Contacts. Be sure to choose the correct contacts folder associated with your mailbox, then proceed by clicking Next. Now you will be prompted to choose a location on your computer where the exported file will be saved. You can select an easy-to-access folder such as your desktop or documents folder. At this stage, you may also rename the file to something recognizable so you can easily identify it later. Once everything is ready, click Finish. Outlook will begin exporting your contacts into the selected CSV file. The time this takes will depend on how many contacts you have stored in your account. After the export is complete, navigate to the location you selected earlier and confirm that the file has been created successfully. This file now acts as a secure backup of your contacts and can also be used to import them into another Outlook account or email service if needed. And that's it. You have successfully exported your Microsoft Outlook contacts, making it easy to store, transfer, or restore your important address book whenever necessary. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.